Hey there, investing enthusiast. Ever wondered where your Acorns money actually goes? You know, the app that makes investing as easy as dropping loose change into a jar. Well, today, we're diving deep to uncover the mystery. What is the Acorns bank name? Hook. Imagine this. You're sitting on a park bench, minding your own business, when suddenly, a squirrel pops out of nowhere and starts tossing acorns into your lap. You're confused, but also kind of amused. Then, it hits you, Acorns. The investing app. But wait, who's behind all this acorn-tossing magic? Is there a secret bank of squirrels somewhere, pulling the strings? Building context. Okay, maybe not squirrels, but there is a bank behind Acorns. And it's a pretty big one. But before we reveal the name, let's talk a bit about why it matters. Why does the Acorns bank matter? Security. Knowing the bank behind Acorns gives you peace of mind. You want to make sure your money is safe and sound, right? Customer service. If you ever run into a problem, having a reputable bank can make a big difference. Investment options. The bank behind Acorns might offer additional investment options or services that you might find useful. The Acorns bank name revealed. So, without further ado, the bank behind Acorns is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, a brief overview. Investment banking giant, Goldman Sachs is one of the largest and most prestigious investment banks in the world. History. Founded in 1869, Goldman Sachs has been a major player in the financial industry for over a century. Reputation. Known for its expertise in areas like mergers and acquisitions, securities trading, and asset management. How does Goldman Sachs partner with Acorns? Goldman Sachs provides Acorns with the infrastructure and technology needed to offer its investing services. This includes things like brokerage services. Goldman Sachs acts as a broker, executing trades on behalf of Acorns customers. Investment products. Goldman Sachs offers a variety of investment products that Acorns can make available to its users. Compliance. Goldman Sachs ensures that Acorns complies with all relevant financial regulations. Is Goldman Sachs a good fit for Acorns? Partnering with a big name like Goldman Sachs has several benefits for Acorns. Trustworthiness. Goldman Sachs' reputation can instill confidence in Acorns users. Resources. Goldman Sachs has the resources and expertise to support Acorns' growth and development. Innovation. Goldman Sachs can help Acorns stay ahead of the curve by introducing new investment products and features. Additional considerations. While Goldman Sachs is a solid choice for Acorns, it's important to remember that your investment experience ultimately depends on factors like your individual goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The bank behind Acorns is Goldman Sachs. Knowing this can help you feel more confident about using the app and make informed decisions about your investments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.